One thing you must know and accept about over-the-counter, for the most part, over-the-counter cough and cold medications for adults, they're all the same thing for the most part, with a few different active ingredients, and they don't do anything in terms of resolving your illness. For the most part, they're masking the symptoms. But the worst part about it is this: they can all have negative consequences on your health. Think about it. It seems plausible and intuitive that the pharmaceutical industry wants as much over the counter as possible because potentially the sales grow. But that being said, it doesn't make this stuff okay or safe. Think about that and take it cautiously and speak to your doctor.